Hi everyone, happy Sunday. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to farm DAWN. DAWN is a concept that is recently gaining more traction in the blockchain space. DAWN is a new and upcoming dApp on Solana that delivers internet services by allowing users to buy and sell internet capacity to their surrounding area. So guys, if you want to farm DAWN, the first thing you will do is this. You have to download Mrs. Browser. This is how Mrs. Browser looks like, yeah? So guys, after you download Mrs. Browser, you will download Chrome extension for DAWN, yeah? Then you register. You can use my link in the description to register. So guys, after your registration, yeah, you can check your dashboard, yeah. So guys, you have to follow DAWN on Twitter to earn 5,000 points. You have to follow DAWN on Discord to earn 5,000 points. You have to follow DAWN on Telegram to earn 5,000 points. Anytime you refer your friends, you will earn 60 or more points, yeah. So guys, don't forget, make sure your connection is of good quality, yeah, so that you can earn more points. So guys, if you want to farm this project, yeah, you have to stay on the platform. You stay on the platform so that you can earn points regularly, yeah. So guys, you can see you are connected. Stay connected to earn rewards for contributing to the network. So you have to stay on this platform so that you can earn regularly, yeah. So guys, I will also talk about Blockmesh, yeah, Blockmesh. So guys, if you want to farm Blockmesh, yeah, Blockmesh has launched an airdrop campaign that rewards users for participating in their network and contributing to ethical AI oversight. So guys, Blockmesh is a depend project like Grass and NodePay, yeah. So guys, you have to download Mrs. Browser, yeah. You have to download Chrome extension for Blockmesh and you can register. So guys, you have to download Phantom Wallet because you have to connect your Phantom Wallet, your Solana Phantom Wallet to your Blockmesh. So you have to download the desktop extension for this, yeah. So guys, if you want to find Blockmesh, yeah, just stay on the platform, yeah. Make sure you have good connection, stay on the platform, do all tasks, invite your friends, yeah. This is also very important perks, yeah. You connect your wallet, you will earn some points for it, yeah. You will do something like proof of humanity, yeah, you earn some points for that. You follow the founder and you also follow them on Twitter. So guys, don't forget this, yeah. You will connect your Phantom wallet, you will follow them on Twitter, and you will do proof of humanity. So guys, so far so good, yeah. I've earned 65,354 Blockmesh tokens, yeah. So guys, you can use my link in the description to register. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.